Welcome everyone. Today we have this question based on algebra. Small question for kids. Let's understand. It says that x and y are positive integers, so they are natural numbers, and um x by y plus y by x is greater than equal. Sorry, is equal to x plus y. So we need to find out the value of x. So in this case, let's I'll do this question by two ways. One will be algebraic method and other is involving a higher concept. So let's first understand the basic concept. X by y plus y by x is equal to x plus y, which gives you x square plus y square upon xy is equal to x plus y, which will give you x square plus y square is equal to xy into x plus y, which will give you x square plus y square equal to x square y plus xy square. Now take everything on one side, x square plus y square minus x square y plus y square minus xy square equal to 0. Take common x square from this and this. You will get x square 1 minus y, and then take common y square from this and this. You will get plus y square and 1 minus x equal to 0. Now you know that because x and y are positive integers, so x and y are greater than 0. Because they are positive, so and they are integers, so their value will start from 1 2 3 4 and anything they will be greater than 0. So x square will be greater than 0 and y square will be greater than 0. So in this case, how this equation is possible? X square 1 minus y plus y square 1 minus x equal to 0. How can you make something which is greater than 0 here and something greater than 0 here and multiply with them something like this and this and make it equal to 0? Can my question to you is, can you make this quantity equal to 0 or not, and this quantity equal to 0 or not? There are two cases. Either x square becomes 0 and then 1 minus y plus 0, y square is 0 and 1 minus x, and then the whole thing becomes 0. The other case is x square is not 0 but the other bracket is 0, plus y square is not 0 and the other bracket is 0, and the whole equation becomes 0. I think the second case is valid and it holds because the first case cannot hold. Why? Because x square and y square are not zeros. These two quantities are not 0. X square is not equal to 0 and y square is not equal to 0. So only this case will hold. So it means that the first bracket here, this is 0 and the second bracket here is 0. So this gives us the value of x and y equal to 1 and 1. This is the only possible solution for x and y being positive integers. Now let's talk about the second method to solve this question. Here the question says that x by y plus y by x is equal to x plus y. X plus y. Now in this case, let's assume for some time that a is equal to x by y, then 1 by a is equal to y by x. So the left hand side LHS of the equation is a plus 1 by a. So this a, now we are going to use AM-GM inequality. AM-GM inequality, which says that AM of two numbers, arithmetic mean of two numbers, is always greater than or equal to geometric mean of two numbers. Sorry, geometric mean of those two numbers. Now what is arithmetic mean of two numbers? Suppose there are two numbers a and b, then arithmetic mean of two numbers will become a plus b by 2, which is always greater than equal to the geometric mean, which is root of ab. And now let us put our two values, one is a and other is 1 by a, in this equation. So I will get a plus 1 by a is greater than equal to 2 comes here, root of a into 1 by a. So this gives you a plus 1 by a is always greater than equal to 2. Okay, and a plus 1 by a we will put back in our origin. This value is actually x by y plus y by x greater than equal to 2. But x by y plus y by x by y plus y by x is equal to x plus y from the given equation. So I can replace this quantity here as x plus y is greater than equal to 2, and x and y are positive integers, so x can take value 1. See, x is always greater than equal to 1, okay, and y is always greater than equal to 1. Fine. So if you take any value of x, if you add them, you get x plus y greater than equal to 2. So the minimum value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 in this case, again by simple logic. I hope you have understood the video. If you have a better solution, let me know in the comments. If you have any doubt, you will let me know in the comments.